Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your headphone jack is not working in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you're facing problems related to your headphone jack, you can fix them all by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if you're facing any kind of headphone jack problem in your device.